Enjoy Thinking is a math PD event that invites you to take a moment to reflect of what kind of math you want to bring into your classroom in the next years.
The day was we were pretty active, engaged, and had some good conversations about math and math teaching in California. And hopefully folks left with some tips and resources and places to look for more insight on how to teach math. I'm really glad I was able to, make it down.
One of the highlights, I think, for today was really just having Peter lead us through the Building Thinking classroom kind of model today, putting us in the seat as learners and really focusing a more student-centered learning that is going to really make math stick. And if you ever get a chance to participate or just to interact with these activities or these experiences, I would say it's going to be really helpful as we move forward.
I invite you to share with other educators and leaders your thoughts in our next event in Los Angeles, California.